Caterpillar 3406E M-frame gasket set unboxing. Got a bill of material of everything in that gasket set. This is the gasket set you'll get in an M-frame kit for a 3406E from AFA. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do an unboxing to show you how complete it is. It's a custom gasket set, very technician friendly. Unlike when you go to some other sources and you need a gasket set for your job and you gotta order 100,000 different parts and gaskets. With AFA, you get it all in a kit, a nicely well-packaged kit. I'm gonna take this out first and show you how well packaged this thing is. Doesn't get much better than that, folks. We pride ourselves in our packaging and how clean and concise and organized we are with our overhaul gasket sets, all our gasket sets. I'm not gonna go over what every single part where it goes in the engine, but I'm just gonna be kind of general here. So your O-rings. This is a package sub-kit. We call it package 169, and it has a specific bill of materials for it. So we go back to consistency and quality and organization at AFA. This is one of the things, like it's not just done different every day. There's a method to everything that we do, and every gasket set has sub-kits in it. Sub-kits are huge for us. We take a lot of pride in our packaging of our products, our quality of our products, and the gasket set packaging that we do. We have been professionals in gasket set packaging since 1985. But this, for example, has all your O-rings and your sealing rings all in one bag. With the part numbers, not to mention the part numbers are also on the parts themselves. You can see them stamped on there. For example, this one right here has a part number and a marking right on it. This one right here, they're Teflon coated. So they're color coded to match the OE colors. So we don't like to differentiate too much on what the OE was doing for the guys out there that have been building these engines for 30 years. They look for this purple O-ring. They look for the green one. Cat guys know what I'm talking about. So, and these coatings are PTFE coatings. Like they're not like just some off the street coating. They're very high quality coatings. Here's another rubber seal that you can see here. And we make all of these in-house. Valve stem seals all in a bag. Not everybody includes valve stem seals. It's even got its own package number, but valve stem seals for your cat right here. You got your strip seal, valve cover gasket that they use in the cats. Different lengths for different areas in the engine. Right here we got your intake manifold gasket, and you see every gasket's marked, stamped, embossed, you know, with AFA and the part number on there. And then we got your oil pan gasket. It's a one-piece gasket. What's great about it is, you know, it's not the puzzle gasket. You don't got to fiddle with it like you do if you buy the gasket from other suppliers, even the OE. And it's got AFA marking on it. We spec out the material. This is a very high quality oil pan gasket material, specific for sealing oil pans. And you got your injector O-ring kit, ×6. Everything in one bag, color-coded, stamped with the part numbers on them. And over here's another sub-kit. This sub-kit includes your turbocharger mounting gasket, air intake gasket, thermostat housing gaskets, and all these other gaskets you see here, all in one bag. High quality gaskets. We use the highest quality materials in all of our gaskets. Spacer shim plate. It's called a spacer shim gasket, is what we call it. There it is right there. It's got your special rubberized coating on it. This gasket has to be specific tolerance. And then your head gasket. The head gasket, super, super nice because it's your latest technology. It's got the rubber grommets that go in the oil holes. So it's your later one. Got your 5-layer graphite steel. It's got your stainless steel fire rings with a reinforced steel ring inside of the fire ring to give it more robustness, strength. And then not to mention, what's really important with fire rings is the height on them when they're designed and manufactured. So you get that proper crush. You get fully hardened stainless steel for, you know, for heat resistance. And also the height of the stainless steel is important because when they crush it down, it's got to seal that cylinder properly. More heat resistance as well. But yeah, that's our 3406E M-frame gasket set unboxing. Thank you. I appreciate your time.